Hey, I'm Donna. I am in beautiful San Clemente, and I wanted to talk to you today a little bit about mindfulness. For me, mindfulness has been such an incredible gift. It's a practice that I have used and become accustomed to every day. You can access mindfulness at any time as you're entering into a stressful situation, when you're on a flight, and when you're going into a difficult conversation with a friend or a family member. We use mindfulness videos to take our clients through a series of basically checking in exercises that check into your breath and your body, and really noticing the sensations that you feel, particularly in times of stress, and give an opportunity to be able to calm the nervous system and notice breath and notice your body as you're facing times when you need to be more emotionally regulated. It's really important, particularly with my couples or with parents with kids or teenagers, to be able to access a calm and mindful stance when you're trying to communicate with others or when you're just trying to regulate your own nervous system.